everyone, today I'm going to do an obstacle course. Do you see it?
Okay, this is the obstacle course, only in the empty ones. The ones which have clothes, you cannot step.
Yeah, and this is a big obstacle course. You cannot step in any blue. You can only step in red.
No, you can step in that blue one because there's no connecting one and it's empty. But don't step in any one which have clothes. Understood?
Yes, that is the game.
Okay.
Don't step in any closed box. If you
Yeah.
do, you're out.
Good. All the best.
Thank you. Now, let's open this. I know that B4 is my favorite. B4 is my favorite box because I found a balloon in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from the previous
It
users.
was so cool. I was like, because I put in my other red box. Look what inside my bag. It was inflated. So, and I don't know why they took it when I was sleeping. So, but looks like I was lucky. I got one balloon in one of the box.
Yeah.
Or did I say before? It was so fun. I was so yay.
Yay! Come on, you finished 3. You have to do 3 more.
Yeah. I found the treasure. Yay.
Okay. Come on. Just go in this one and then that one, and then it's
Or I
over.
can just go on
No. Go in that blue one and then the red one. Yeah. And then get out there, that's the ending. That's your target. Your target is to reach there.
Now, after this, I'm going to
Very good, well done.